Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about some important basic commands of Linux which are using in VLSI DFT. So to learn all these commands, the best tool is you just type Linux practice online. So you may get the first one, LabX. So just click on here. So start learning. No need to register anything. Start learning. So it gets open. Previously I has used it, that's why it is opening like this. So first my suggestion is that open new tab. So here we have to practice. So first, before going to create any directory or file, first we will check the current working directory, pwd. So current working directory is the home labx desktop. So I'm going to create a directory. So in order to create a directory, we should use the command mkdir. So I'm creating, sorry, the file is already exist. It is showing that because here I has already created the directory, that is mkdir marish. So that's why it is showing like that. So I will create directory with some other name. Yeah. See, now the present directory is desktop. So I created the Ravi directory. So if you want to know this directory is created or not, you just type ls. So here the Ravi is created and the Maresh also there. So here these are the files in the current working directory. Okay, directory is nothing but a folder in our Windows. How we are creating the folder. So this is a directory. So now I'm going to move into the Ravi directory. For that, cd to Ravi. So now I myself is in Ravi directory. So what are the files in this directory? If you want to look it means just ls. So no files. So if you want to know where we are right now, means we should use the pwd, present working directory. Now we are in present working directory. Previously we are up to here. Now we are at Ravi directory. So now I am going to create some files here, files and directories. So first I will create a directory mkdir uh, prints. This is a directory. So let us see this directory is created here or not. ls. So this directory is created. Now, and also I'm going to create some files here. Touch um, x.txt text file, y.txt. So these two text files I am creating in Ravi's directory. Okay, right. Now let us see ls will so we have prints x.txt, y.txt. All these two are the files, text files, and this one is a directory. Prints is a directory. So if you want to check ls-l. So here it is showing first starting it is D, means directory. Directory, it has read write execute permissions. So these two are not having, only read write permissions. This x.txt, y.txt, only read write permissions. So if I want to give the permissions, if I want to change the permissions for these two also, so I have to use the command as chmod. Chmod 777, all the permissions, read write execute 777 x.txt space y.txt. Yeah, now let us see, check the permissions. So no need to type, just click on up arrow. Now you see here, previously it doesn't have permissions. Now I gave all the permissions. So whenever I was discussing about the chmod command, I will tell you how to give all these permissions. So now you came to know that in the Ravi directory, we have these three files. one is folder, remaining two are the text files. I give all the permissions. So if I want to open this file, I want to open x.txt, y.txt files, means I should use the command as gvim x, just press the tab. So nothing is there in here. So I'm just writing something, hello. It is not, I am writing, but it is not appearing there. So I have to insert some data. For that, you should use the press I. So it will enter into the insert mode. So now, first escape I will enter into the insert mode. You can find here insert mode in the bottom. You can find insert mode. So now I am writing something here. Hello, this is Marish. Marish. Hi, good morning. Good morning. How are you? Are you? Bye. Okay. So if I want to save means press escape. So we are out from the insert mode, column W, enter. So it gets saved. This is a file. So my file x.txt contains this information. So now I'm closing this file. So if you want to close it, escape column Q. That file gets closed. Now I want to look into the file y.txt. What is there? gvim y, press tab. So nothing is there in the y.txt. If you see here, the y.txt doesn't contain any information. Now I am closing this one. So I want to copy what is there in the x.txt to y.txt. So that I'm using the command cp-r, first x.txt space y.txt. So enter. Now we should look into the y.txt. gvim y.txt. Now you see here what is there in the information in the x.txt, that is entire information is copied to the y.txt. So I can able to copy x.txt to y.txt. Like this you can able to copy. Suppose here we have some information. I want to move up and down. So in this file I want to move. If I want to insert any information means escape plus I. So it will enter into the insert mode. Then we can insert anything. Bye. See you. See you. Hello. Hello. Something else. Good afternoon. Like that. Something, whatever you want, you can insert. Now, if we want to get out from the insert mode means just press escape. Escape and column W. It gets saved. So now if you want to delete means you just press DD, double DD. So whatever the empty lines, if you want to delete means you have to press the DD. Okay, so that this entire thing gets deleted. Only DD will delete only single line. Okay, right. So if I want to save it, escape column W, enter. So we are in visual mode. I will tell you what are visual mode and how this one. So if you want to close this file, column W and enter. So now I have two files, x.txt, y.txt, and prints is a folder. So now I'm going to move into the prints folder, means cd space prints p. Just type p and press tab. Okay. Now ls. So nothing is there in the prints tab. So if you want to check the directory, current working directory, so pwd. So now I was in prints folder. If you want to create any files means you just use the touch. So yeah, g.txt, h.txt, txt. Okay, ls. So I created two files. If you want to change the directory names, directory permissions means chmod 777, sorry, chmod 777. I'm giving all the permissions. Instead of that, I will give read write permissions only. Chmod 770 g.txt. Press enter. Now ls hyphen lrt also you can use lrt. You see here I gave only read write permission to these two columns. I will tell you user, group, others. This one. First one is user, next one is the group, and third last one is others. So I will while discussing about chmod command, I will tell you. So now I gave permissions to only g.txt. So my h.txt is as it is. So if you want to give permissions, complete all the permissions means just give the 777. Enter. Now you use the ls minus lrt. So now you see I gave all the permissions to g.txt. Like this, you can able to change the permissions, and also you can able to move the file, copy the files from one location to another location. Okay. One more thing I want to discuss about in this video. Suppose if I want to create the files without a touch command, so you will use a gvim r.txt. Yeah, this file is directly opened without creating. So now I am going to insert some data here. A enter bvv enter ccc enter. So I am just giving some blah blah blah. Okay, enter. So now escape. I'm going to save. Enter. Like with the help of gvim also, we can able to create escape column q. Now you can see ls. You see that r.txt has been created. So with the help of gvim also we can create, but we have to save it. Now I want to give the permissions means chmod. We should use chmod. Um, Suppose if I want to copy the data from g.txt to r.txt, so what command I should use? Cp g.txt txt r.txt. Enter. So now gvim r.txt. You see nothing has copied. Why it is happening? So please find it and tell me the answer. Uh, I will continue the same session in my next video. Please share and subscribe.